one is Harihar. Our final destination is here. So we have started hiking up, and the last village that we passed, it is called as Pada actually. So Pada is a little smaller than a village, and its name is Harshewadi. So it will take us around an hour to reach up to start this trek. So if you are planning to come for this trek, plan for an early morning so that you can spend a lot of time. It will not be hurry for you guys. So yeah, let's go. So this is Harshewadi, and we parked our vehicles here, and this is the height we have come. More to go, this one. And this is Sanju. Hi. He's a localite over here. We just met him on the road. The route to this fort is easy only, but in case if you have a localite or a guide with you, that will always come to your help. And one more thing guys about the shoes, if you are a frequent trekker and if you keep going to the treks, particularly in Sahyadri treks, never use these type of shoes. Not at all helpful. I almost skidded when I was trying to climb. Which one to use, I'll tell you at the end of the video. Multiple treks here in the same vicinity. So the one I even see here, this one, that is called as Nag Fani. Very rare people go there for trekking. And we are almost near the famous steps of Harihar. They are, if we can see a line here, they're almost like 90 degree, close to 90 degree. And that's what makes it interesting, exciting, and at the same time famous. We are almost about to start the steps now, and to the right side of the steps, the water body that we see is Vaitarna Dam. This is so green every way. very slippery and we have to be extra cautious while climbing. And the best thing is that they have grips here. On to each and every step there are these grips on both sides. So you can hold them and easily climb. But trust me, when it's too slippery, you have got to be extra cautious and do wear good shoe which gives you a good grip that you are aware of. And we met Vilas Bhaiya. He is from the Harshivadi.
Oh, Harshivadi.
Yeah, the last small village that we passed. Hello. Hello. Last few minutes to the Flag Temple, and right now it's foggy. It's completely like a wonderland. Woo, we're on the top, highest point. On the top we are, finally. And the fog is engulfing from all sides. This is amazing. We are expecting a small window so that it will be clear and we can see a beautiful view from here. Do you think it's a moon or sun? That is a sun. And look at this. And here we reach the pond. One temple is here and the other one is behind it. So these small holes you are seeing, these are the temporary houses of crabs. And Vilas Bhaiya has already taken a lot of crabs. We are returning back. The fog is still there, everywhere it's foggy and it's quite late. Must have past 6. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your travel lover friends. And please subscribe. That will give us more motivation to come up with more exciting travel related videos and give more information, like more useful information. So that's it. See you in some next location.